Guys, on this video, I'm going to answer this question. How do I integrate my Facebook Messenger with a Go High Level conversations? If you're ready, let's begin. Hey guys, it's me, Cap Joey, the founder of One Funnel and social media expert. So if you want to learn to use Go High Level for your business or agency, you are on the right platform. So what I want you to do before we start our discussion, I want you to click the like or subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about Go High Level. So if you're ready, let's begin. So to answer your question is number one, we need to make sure if our messenger is currently and properly connected to your Go High Level account. To do that, simply go to the settings, and once we are on the settings, click integration. On the integration section, go to your Facebook and Instagram section. You will see here auto sync, add leads, manage DM, and respond to review comments across all your Facebook page and Instagram handle. You will see on this section is the ad manager, and you will see here what is the Facebook page connected. You will see here connected Facebook page, One Funnel. Now, to make sure that our messenger is properly connected, click setting. On the setting, you will see here Facebook Messenger, and it must be enabled. For this video, this is already enabled. My One Funnel, which is my Facebook page, is already connected to the Go High Level. And then my Instagram as well is already connected to my Go High Level. So click connect. Now it's properly connected. Now let's go back to our conversation sections and let's check if we're able to receive messages from the messenger. To do that, simply go to the filter and click and look for the Facebook and click apply, and you will see here all the messages that I received from my messenger. Let's check the Instagram if we're able to receive a messages from the Instagram, and here we go. It's properly connected, and we already check and see that the Instagram and Facebook DM or Messenger is properly connected to our Go High Level. And that's it for today. Thank you very much. If you have questions about how to use Go High Level, you are on the right community. And speaking of community, I encourage you to join our One Funnel Network, wherein we help you to understand Go High Level and also maximize AI to grow our business. See you in the next one.